What's up, everybody? Welcome to life. Thank God for life. We are alive. We should appreciate God. I hope this internet is okay. That's my prayer. I just want to spend 10 minutes with you, and I hope everything will be okay. It should be okay. The network is very slow. Now, I did a video earlier, but due to internet problem, I have to wait for time like this so that we can have a very smooth connection. What I have to tell you people is this: election is coming. Whoever you want to support, please go all out to support your candidate. You know, these are the time that your candidate need you more. You are very important to them. Without you, they can't get there by themselves. They need numbers. The numbers they need is you. You are number for them. The more people they have, the more edge they have. I want to plead to you people to please support your candidate. Go all out for them and make sure it came out victorious. That is what I want to say. This connection is not okay. I may need to do another one on another platform so that I'll be able to share it with you. And I'll be playing the video of the recorded one so that you will see my view on election coming in 2023. I wish you all the candidates the best of luck, and I wish you the success in your life endeavor. I pray Nigeria will remain great country. I'll be playing you the video I did to express my view because I'm worried because I don't have an answer to the result. I'm only trying to weigh different options so that whatever happens, nobody, hospitalized. From us, the voters, and to our candidate, we all have to live and enjoy the dividend of democracy. That is what I want to say. Let me play you the video. Is the leader that will be blamed. And I think at this point, everybody has to work together so that any ṣìṣe everybody will achieve what they plan to achieve. The most important thing I wanted to say is that Baba never come out as to be a president, but this is the first time. Baba never lost election but before. This is the first time. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí Baba dákú. Honestly speaking, ẹ má ever jẹ́ kí Baba dákú because mi pray kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo ti sọ lórí Peter Obi. Àwọn tí mọ̀ wọn ní problem. A ti sọ lórí Atiku. Àwọn kò jẹ́ tuntun sí wọn. Ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ máa jáde lélẹ́yìí. dẹ̀ lose rí, mọ bó ṣe ń rí, kò ní dákẹ́ lose o. I'm not supporting anybody. I just dey give you these scenarios which I'm looking at it from. I'm looking at it from different perspectives. If Peter Obi win or lose, how is going to affect him? If Atiku win or lose, how is going to affect him? If Baba win or lose, what may likely to happen? Because honestly speaking, you cannot tell me that experience doesn't have its part. We all know that Tinubu knows all the ways, all the strategy to do politics, to do everything. We all know, and we all know the problem that is going on. Many people, they are not 100% in support. Afenifere, some people don't support. Why some people support? But it has been like that. But wait me at the talk be say, how is going to affect whoever win or lose? That is the topic go. Let me summarize everything. I'm going to use this one for short video, less than 1 minute video. Have you ever think if Peter Obi win, every Nigerian will say, wow, Obi. But what happen if Obi loses? Everybody will keep quiet. Nobody will say anything. They will only say, no, now they don't want him to win now. Now Ojoro then do. That's what people will say. If Atiku win, the whole Nigeria will say, finally, at least after how many years? This man has been consistent. He has been trying finally. But if he loses, everybody will keep quiet. Nobody will talk because it's in their DNA. They always win and lose. They will win tickets from their party, but they will not be able to win. That is not bad or good. That is average. It's still part of life. We need to develop. If they don't win today, they will still win another day. But for Tinubu has never lost any election. Has never lost. And Tinubu has never come out to say, I want to be president of Nigeria. This 2023 is the first time Tinubu will say, I want to contest for president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. And if Tinubu win, everybody, including the people that want Tinubu to win, they will sing hallelujah, they will sing alhamdulillah. And the people that don't want Tinubu to win, they will say, congratulations, you be see, congratulations. Even Tinubu house will be like, Rome. People now, when you make it, they make it. And they know Tinubu for that. But if Tinubu lose, make I not lie to you. If Tinubu faint, many Nigerians will faint. Because when you are powerful, when you have giants, when giants fall, ilema crack. When it crack, all the people that are on the floor, some people will sink. Until next time, my people, my Nigeria, I pray, God Nigeria. What I mean, good Nigeria will always remain because God is with us. All our presidential candidates from A to Z. I want to say congratulations to all of you. You are all winner. Whatever the result come out to be, Nigeria will not disappoint you. Nigeria will be a living good country for every one of you, and have a good night rest. Support whoever that win. Congratulations to you. Thank you, Nigeria, for listening. God bless you. Is the leader that will be blamed. There you have it, Niger. There you have it. There you have it. So I want to say good luck to every one of us until another day. Have a nice good rest. Bye.